So today I decided I am going to go hunting for some QOMs. Well, one specifically. Since March, I've been basically riding on the indoor trainer, and I've been outside for a few rides, but I didn't give it any good efforts. In the meantime, I've been getting these notifications pretty consistently saying, uh-oh, you lost your QOM on such and such segment. Today I decided I'm going to go back and get one of my QOMs that I used to have. So I'm going to go to the Hoover Dam and try to get the real bottom to the top segment back. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory on this segment. I don't know how long it is, and I don't know how many feet I have to climb, but I do know it goes all the way up into Boulder City, somewhere between 6 and 9 miles. And last time I got it was July 20th of 2019. And 5 days later, the girl who I took it from came back and got it back. So today, a year and a half later, basically, I'm going to try and go get it again. But for now, I'm going to flip you around so you can see as the fun part as we go down to the Hoover Dam. I hate riding over these things. Hi. No. Thank you. So now we're about to go over the Hoover Dam, and I will get some 360 footage while I'm here. Check out this bypass, massive bridge. Okay. All right, let's do this. It's not cold. And you haven't done the entire Hoover Dam ride unless you've gone all the way to the top on the Arizona side. That's almost there. Check that out. I think I told you guys I was talking about it earlier. The lady I took it from went back out 5 days later and snatched it back. So today I'm hoping to set the bar really high so she can't just go back out in 5 more days and take it back from me. But anyway, I'm a little bit nervous, but it's time to get going. 80 feet. All right, here goes. Power meter's not working right now, so I don't know how many watts I'm pushing, so I'm gonna have to go by feel. I'm ahead by 3 seconds right now. Mile. I'm a minute 53 ahead of the QOM. 2 minutes ahead. Half a mile. Oh my god. 0.2. 0.1. Oh god. Well, I got it by 2 minutes and 5 seconds. I'm not gonna lie, all those indoor trainer rides I've been doing have really humbled me because it's all basically a bunch of climbing, and so my average miles per hour are like 5 and 6 miles per hour on almost every ride. So it felt good to get outside. See see all those American flags. Whew. Here's the Nevada State Veterans Home. If you're a veteran or are currently serving in the military, thank you so much for your service. You are all very much appreciated. Whew. Okay, this rabbit can go back into her hole now. I came out and proved that I can still probably try and keep up with the best of the ladies that are out here in Vegas. There's some strong ones now, so I'm hoping someone will come out and someone will come out and snag this from me so I have another carrot to chase in a month when I come back to test my improvements by then. So that was fun. I got her by 2 minutes. Feels good to get off of that trainer once in a while and come out and show myself that I'm not really slow like I've been feeling like I have been on those indoor trainer rides. You see that? That's a wrap. Okay, I came out for one segment, but I got 3 crowns and a whole bunch of trophies. So I would say today was a success. So I will go home and relax now. Yay!